I am Dr. Rajesh Paliwal, Assistant Professor DV College Urai. I am presenting my video on individual differences for B.Ed students. As we know, we see many diversities in our environment. Nature has so many types of creatures and plants. We know that diversity is the beauty of nature. Whenever we go outside, we see nature, we pleasure. In humans, we see diversity in physical, social, mental, gender, and emotional. Every person of the world has uniqueness, some uniqueness by which we recognize him. We see many developments in the world because of individual differences. What are we seeing in the world? This is due to individual differences. Some persons became engineer, some persons became doctors, some persons became management persons, some persons became leaders, and when all the persons are working together, we are going to a new world. No two individuals, even as twins, have some differences regarding physique, color, height, weight, intelligence, aptitude, attitude, interest. The individuals differs from human beings because he is a concrete event. He is the one who acts, loves, suffers, fights, and dies. On the contrary, the human being is a Platonic idea living in our minds and in our books. Thus, the individual is a particular being and human being is a universal, general being. It is therefore to define and discover exactly the part of human being and that of the individual. Individuals can be easily distinguished from their gesture. We saw two types of individual differences: inter-individual differences and intra-individual differences. As we know, individuals can be differentiated from one another on the basis of physical, mental, social, emotional, and personality traits. Individuals not only differ from one another, but also each individual differs from one ability to another within his own self. Inter-individual differences are differences that are observed between people, and intra-individual differences are which in the some individuals among his own abilities. Now we come to causes of individual differences. Psychologists consider two main causes of individual variation, one being heredity and other is environment. Apart from this, there are some other reasons, but they are secondary. Now we discuss heredity. Heredity is the root factor or cause of individual variation, means a person's acquiring the characteristics of his ancestors through his parents. Environment: in different parts of our country we see different types of people.